Hi, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a vegan Snickers recipe. And I got the website from here on YouTube, from the YouTube channel Caitlin Shoemaker. I will leave her channel down in the description below, and the written instructions for her recipe is from her website called FromMyBowl.com. I've never made a vegan recipe here before, and I've actually never had vegan desserts like this. So this is going to be a new adventure for me. It was a little bit of a process, but since Snickers are my favorite candy bars, I'm excited. And I hope that you guys are too. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up for Snickers. And if you're interested in seeing how this one works out, then just keep watching and I'll get testing. Okie dokie. So to make the caramel, she said to really pack in the dates and then cover them in some hot water. Then I made some oat flour using the method she recommended in the instructions, and then took the soaked dates and added vanilla and salt and some peanut butter and blended those up, and that made the caramel base. And I added some of that to the oats, and that made like the nougat part, and then added the rest of the caramel stuff on top. And then I topped it with some peanuts and then popped it in the freezer. And after it froze for like 2 hours, I cut them out, and then I went to go dip them in chocolate, and I measured out the chocolate, and I needed twice the amount that she recommended to dip all of them in, but it worked out pretty well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these Snickers a test. She did say to put them in the freezer to harden when you were done dipping them. And so I don't know if that meant for the chocolate to harden or for like the caramel nougat center to harden up as well, because it's not completely solid yet. Why do these have a coconut flavor to them? Like, I feel like I taste caramel and coconut. Not being vegan, I don't know if like the vegan taste buds, I guess, like alter with time and they get used to tasting things a certain way. But these do not remind me of a Snickers. I get a coconut vibe. I'm not sure why. That's super weird. But they're really good. I'm surprised about this date section of them. It's really caramely. I definitely get a pretty strong coconut caramel vibe, which is still really good, still really delicious, just not a Snickers. But I definitely give these a good thumbs up. Probably a 6 out of 10, just because they just have a different type of profile. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want tested. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. You want to try the vegan Snickers?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, well, thanks for testing it out, bud.
Uh-huh.